Hello, good morning. This is Group 24 of Chemical Engineering 1, and we are here to talk about wind powered green hydrogen. So, this is a bit of introduction of the wind power and green hydrogen. So, the world is increasingly turning to renewable energy sources to address the pressing issues of climate change and energy security. Among the most promising of the solution is the synergy between wind power and green hydrogen production. This introduction explores the fundamentals of this dynamic parent setting the stage for a deeper exploration of its potential to transform the global energy landscape. So basically, the use of this wind power green hydrogen is to help solve the climatic problems, especially the greenhouse effect and all of it. So along the way, we'll be talking about those things. So, role of wind power and green hydrogen. So there are lots of roles of wind power and green hydrogen, and these are a few ones I want to discuss with you, which is abundant. They are abundant and reliable. They are cost-effective and efficient. They are environmental friendly. Environmental friendly in the case that they help reduce greenhouse effects. They help reduce air pollution and the whole lot, which is helpful to our health system and even helpful to the whole world. And it is cost effective because it is advanced. Its advancement in wind turbine technology and its most cost competitive renewable energy sources. Because wind farms can now generate at price that's rival or even undercut traditional fossil fuel based power plants, and it's abundant and reliable. Advantages of wind power for hydrogen production. One, renewable energy sources is scalable and flexible, cost-effective hydrogen and geographical synergy. As we discussed the cost-effective, the renewable energy, we are going to talk about the geographical synergy. Many of the best wind power resources are located in areas with high potential for hydrogen production and distribution, creating a geographical synergy that can optimize electricity. That's how wind power for hydrogen production is. It's very costly. It's cost effective. It doesn't. You can save your money. Challenges and limitations. Of course, everything has a disadvantage. So challenges of wind powered hydrogen is intermittency of wind infrastructure requirements. That's how sometimes the wind is the intermittency. Sometimes it's difficult to get the wind. There's challenges in consistent hydrogen production. Hydrogen is a gas, so there's sometimes difficulty to find hydrogen gas and infrastructure requirements. You have to get a lot of infrastructures before you can do this. So sometimes you don't get some, so it becomes a technological maturity, yeah, and regulatory landscape. So you have to get a proper clear policies and incentives to support about the land to support the wind powered green hydrogen. So this is an example of a farm designed for optimal hydrogen, an example of a farm designed to generate electricity. So you are using this to generate electricity for the farm. Yeah, and you have to select the site because the site have to check the wind and everything in order to do it. And you have to check the turbine placement and because hydrogen gas can be hydrogen gas in water and everything. So integrating wind power and hydrogen storage system. Now you have to get excess wind energy, hydrogen storage and power generation. So this is how you have to do it. You have to get more and more wind in order to generate the energy, and you have to store the hydrogen very well, and so that it can generate power at the end. That's the number three. Technological advancement in hydrogen coupling. Yeah, technological advancement in hydrogen coupling. You have advanced electrolyzers, efficient storage solutions, and fuel cell advancements. These are all technological advancements that we can find in wind hydrogen coupling. So environmental impact and sustainability consideration. You have emissions-free hydrogen, reduced carbon footprint, and circular economy. As I said about it being environmental friendly, there's some few points up we can put under the environmental friendly. Economic feasibility and investment opportunities. It is cost competitiveness, it's government incentives and investor appetite. A whole lot of things, scalability potential, it's a whole lot of things. The future of wind powered green hydrogen. Yeah, scalable development, diversible applications, technological innovations, and collaboration systems. Yeah, and all these are You see, you have to think ahead. So these are what we think that as we go ahead, we go, things will change and there will be more of wind power and hydrogen to produce electricity. So this brings us to the end of this project and this presentation, and this is our table of contents as we said. So basically, we were supposed to put this in front, but we decided to put it at the back so that it like sound stylish. So this is how it is. So thank you very much. This is group 24 once again, and we go by the names Grace Sapon Opompo, Kwam, Augustine, Tete Di Kwame, and Gertrude also Ejewa. Thank you very much. This is group 24 once again. Presenting on wind power and green hydrogen. Thank you.